Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today I'm not doing a cook for you. Today I am celebrating the fact that I have 1,000 subscribers now. I woke up Monday morning and I'd hit the 1,000 subscribers. Today's Wednesday. I waited a couple days because my count kept fluctuating up and down. I wanted to make sure that I was above 1,000 subscribers. I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel. I love that you guys watch my videos, comment on them and everything, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you with all my heart. With that being said, I'm going to do a 1K giveaway, just to thank you guys for supporting me. It's not going to be much, but it's a little bit of a giveaway. The first thing you're going to get if you win this giveaway, you'll receive a package just like this in the mail from Uncle Steve. This is all 8 of his spices in the 4-ounce bottles with an amazing label on them. 1K, that's awesome. And there's Dan's Outdoor Cooking. Thank you very much, Steve, for making these labels for me. This set's mine, it's going on the shelf. But you'll get the identical set, and he said he'll also send you, if I hold it the correct way, one of his beautiful stickers. So, right there, that's a great value in its own. I don't know if any of you guys have used Uncle Steve's shakes before. You've seen me use them in my videos. I use them cooking all the time. They are wonderful. It's his 5 regular spices, and then it's his competition pig, his competition cow, and his competition bird powder. Every one of them's phenomenal. If you roast some vegetables, put some of that gator shake on them, man. I love that. The sweet and spicy are, or the regular spicy are, or spicier, ever how you pronounce it. Maybe Steve will correct me. I love that on the chicken. The thick meat on my steak. I mean, I use them all. I love them. So one of you guys is going to get all 8 of those. Also, to the winner, because you know that cast iron cooking's dear to my heart, and I do a lot of cast iron cooking in my videos, I'm going to help you guys do a little bit of cast iron cooking. So the first thing, a 10 1/4 inch Lodge, and this is the Wildlife series. It has the deer on the back. I will be mailing that out to the winner. And inside this, perfect for a couple of eggs or something like that. Believe it or not, it looks so little you don't think you'd use it a lot. I have a 6.5 inch. I use mine quite a bit. But this little 6.5 inch right here, it's Wildlife series also, and it has the wolf on the back. Look great. Brand new. I'll be mailing those out to you. This contest is going to be very easy to enter. All you have to do is comment down below, and you only have to have 2 things in your comment. First thing you have to have is you have to say, "Congratulations, Dan, on 1K." If that's in there, you're entered. There's a second thing that has to be in there also. You have to put hashtag Uncle Steve's Shake. If you do not have both those things in your comment, you're not entered. It's real simple. Congratulations, Dan, on 1K. Hashtag Uncle Steve's Shake. Good luck to each and every one of you. Next Wednesday, a week from today, I'm going to fire up one of those random comment things. I don't know exactly which one I'm going to use yet. I've been talking to a couple other YouTubers that have done giveaways, and we are going to get you picked, and then you'll have a little bit of time. I'll decide that when I do that video, to get me your address, and you're going to receive 8 bottles of Uncle Steve's Shake and 2 beautiful cast iron pans. Well, once again, thank each and every one of you for getting me to the 1K mark. I truly appreciate each and every one of you with all my heart. Y'all have a blessed day, and get out there and cook.